Hi everybody, this is Kevin Lim from Kevin's Kitchen. Today I'm here in Mean Noodles in Hong Kong. I'll be sharing with you a sole and papillote recipe, something that I learned from culinary school, but till today I will cook this regularly just because it's something that's easy to prepare and also has infinite possibilities of getting creative with this dish. So let's get started, let's go. So as I mentioned, the possibilities are infinite, so choose your fish you prefer. And also for the vegetables, same thing. You can choose your favorite greens and also substitute the mushroom for other types of mushroom if you prefer. Pick vegetables that you like to eat as they'll just be steamed, so it's just a very simple way of enjoying your vegetables. So here I'm using Kaffir lime leaf, but feel free to use any other herbs and spices that you prefer. So here we're just going to start off with taking the broccoli florets off. You just need a couple florets depending on how much you want to eat. And then I'm also taking a couple slices off the stem and then just slice the mushrooms, thin slice, and you just want to half the tomatoes so that you can get the juices from the tomato. And next you just want to julienne the Kaffir lime leaf. So as for the parchment, you can see I fold it in half first so that it gives you an easy vessel. So here you can see I've actually used the broccoli stems to lay on the bottom and then some mushrooms on top just to create a raised surface for the fish so that it's not poaching in its liquid but rather steaming so that it gets all that fragrance from the spices and herbs that you're using. And again, just stacking more of the vegetables on top. After you have all the vegetables, you can just finish it with the herbs and spices, the garlic and the shallots, and then just drizzle it with olive oil and then also a squeeze of calamansi if you're using that. So after you've filled all the vegetables and spices, you can see I'm folding the parchment over on itself, and then you just want to fold the edges a couple times. You'll notice with parchment paper it's a little bit hard to keep its edge, so you just want to fold it and then you can twist it a little bit here and there just so that it holds the pouch. So now we just want to put this into the oven anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes depending on how big your fish fillet is. In my case, this fillet is about 120 grams or 4 ounces, so I'm actually just steaming it for just over 10 minutes. So that's how you make sole en papillote. I chose sole just because it's a little bit leaner fish for me, and it's something that I had available. Feel free to use your fish of choice. And for me, I use just that little bit of Kaffir lime leaf, but that in itself, because the whole pouch is steamed inside, the flavor really imparts into the fish. So I would recommend to use a stronger herb or spice that really imparts flavor. Just keep it simple, as the fish itself is already very tasty, so just some simple spices and herbs will do the trick. So if you like this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe this video. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comment field below. And I'll see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye!